Hi everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to increase WP memory limit in Hostinger. So let's get started. So we are going to do this using two methods. So log into your Hostinger H panel, and after that just click on Manage button next to your web hosting plan. Now click on File Manager. Click public_HTML. Now right-click on your wp-config.php file and then click on Edit. Now copy the code from the video description. Scroll down to the bottom and just above that, all Stop Editing Happy Publishing. Just click Enter and paste the code, and after that, just click on Save. So in this way, your memory limit will be increased. If it is not working for you, then go back to Hostinger H panel, and after that, from the left menu, just click on Advanced, and then click on PHP Configuration. Then click PHP Options. Scroll down till Memory Limit. Click 1536 MB, then Save.